There we go. Pretty good one. Whoa, taking drag.
I'm Jim Baker, Wildlife Manager here at Vermejo Park. Part of my responsibilities are the fisheries program here. We have over 20 lakes and over 30 miles of streams where we do all of our trout fishing. Some of these lakes are Class A lakes. It's designated by the New Mexico Game Department, and we control the seasons and the limits and that sort of thing on those lakes. They were made over 100 years ago, and their water has to be diverted into these lakes. And as a result, natural propagation does not occur. So we have an extensive stocking program for about 7 of our lakes that the people fish here. We stock anywhere from 30 to 40,000 pounds per year. They average a little over 2 pounds, mostly the rainbow trout. We do some supplemental stocking of smaller sized brooks and browns just to make the fishing a little more variable and more interesting. We spend in excess of $150,000 per year on our stocking program, and it's a continual every year sort of thing. The fishing program here is developed over the years to where people catch 2 to 3 pound fish pretty regularly. 8 to 10 pound is not real uncommon. Just about set the state record a few weeks ago with a brook trout that was almost 5 pounds out of one of our lakes. So it's been pretty good over the last 30 years here, and it continues to get better.
I came here first in 1974 to Vermejo. And I came with a group of doctors from Arlington, Texas, who came here every June, and I was fortunate enough to be invited to join them. I was so impressed with the facilities, the lodging, the food, and certainly the scenery, and then all of the abundant wildlife. The deer and the elk and the turkey and the large herd of buffalo. Just a magnificent place to visit. I've been here for 32 visits, and the good Lord willing, I'll be back here in December for elk and next June for fishing.
There he is. Yeah, buddy.
know, I've been to many fly fishing locations, including several trips to Alaska, but I really like Vermejo best of all. It's easy to get here, good food, good accommodations, friendly staff, but especially the fishing. I like big fish, and they've got big fish here. I'm no expert by any means, but even as a beginner, I was able to catch fish on the very first trip here. That was in 1973. I've been coming here for 34 years. One thing a beginner can look forward to is the ease of casting here, because there's not a lot to get hung up on in your back cast on many of the locations. I just hope I'm blessed to be able to come back for many more years.